Welcome to a perfect day at Barceloneta Beach. Nestled in the lively city of Barcelona, Barceloneta Beach is one of Spain's most cherished and frequented beaches. Whether you're aiming to unwind, meet new people, or stay active, this iconic beach has something for everyone. Let's dive into how you can make the most of your day at Barceloneta Beach. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification before we continue. Many visitors like to kick off their beach day with a quick shower. Barceloneta Beach is well equipped with excellent shower facilities, letting you freshen up and begin your day feeling invigorated. This is especially handy if you plan on spending the entire day at the beach. One of the best ways to soak in the beauty of Barceloneta Beach is by jogging along its scenic shoreline. The soft morning light, the rhythmic sound of the waves, and the fresh sea breeze create a perfect environment. Jogging on the sand is not only a fantastic workout but also an excellent way to enjoy the stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea. After your jog, take off your shoes and stroll leisurely on the soft, golden sand. Feel the grains under your feet and let the warmth of the sun envelop your skin. Barceloneta Beach's extensive shoreline offers plenty of space for a peaceful walk, allowing you to clear your mind and fully absorb the natural beauty around you. One of Barceloneta Beach's main attractions is sunbathing. With its clear skies and warm climate, it's an ideal spot to relax and soak up the sun. Bring a beach towel or rent a sunbed, apply your sunscreen, and let the sun work its magic. The gentle sound of the waves provides a calming backdrop as you unwind and relax. Barceloneta Beach is also a fantastic spot for socializing and engaging in activities with friends. Set up a spot with umbrellas and beach mats, and spend the day playing beach volleyball, frisbee, or simply chatting and laughing together. The lively atmosphere of the beach makes it perfect for group activities and creating lasting memories. When the sun becomes too hot, take a refreshing dip in the Mediterranean Sea. The water at Barceloneta Beach is typically calm and inviting, making it safe and enjoyable for swimmers of all ages. Swim out a bit, float on the gentle waves, and let the cool water rejuvenate your body. As the day goes on, you might feel hungry. Barceloneta Beach boasts a variety of beachfront cafes and restaurants where you can enjoy delicious local cuisine. Savor fresh seafood, traditional tapas, or a refreshing drink while taking in the breathtaking ocean views. These cafes are perfect for a relaxed meal or a quick snack between your beach activities. As the day comes to a close, take another walk along the beach to watch the sunset. The sky transforms into a palette of vibrant colors, creating a stunning view over the sea. It's a perfect moment to reflect on the day's experiences and capture some beautiful photographs. Barceloneta Beach is a paradise for both relaxation and activity. From morning jogs and sunbathing to swimming and enjoying delicious food, the beach offers a wide range of experiences. Whether you're alone, with friends, or with family, a day at Barceloneta Beach is sure to be unforgettable. So pack your beach essentials, gather your friends, and head to Barceloneta for an amazing beach day in Barcelona. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.